How to find your credit card number on the Chase app. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Chase application and make sure that you're logged into your account. And right here on your home screen, here you would find your Chase account along with your credit cards that's connected to your account. Just tap on any one of the credit card where you want to find your credit card number. Now, once you've tapped on it, you could just go ahead and see its information like your minimum payment, your current balance, and more. So if you tap on this little three dots right besides the credit card on top, you will be able to find this more options where you have an option to view your statement activity or your payment activity and view your statements as well. Tap on see statements, and then from here you can select statements. Now, once you have done that, from here you could just go ahead and select any one of the statement from available dates. Tap on the statement, and there you would be able to find more information about your credit card. And there you would be able to find more information about your credit card. And then from there, you could just go ahead and tap on the card again. And here finally you can find your account summary along with your account number at the top as well as your credit card number. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.